Allison Budvarson with Out of the Box Manufacturing. Out of the Box Manufacturing is a contract manufacturer of electronic components in Renton, Washington. We specialize in quick turns and prototypes and high technology, high mix, low yield assembly services. Attend the IPC EMS Leadership Summit because it gives me a chance to connect with other manufacturing executives and share ideas, bounce problems off of each other, and just have a chance to brainstorm and appreciate learning from other individuals that may have been through a similar situation that I have, or have found another creative way to deal with issues that many of us face on the regular. The greatest value that I've been able to take home from the IPC Leadership Summit is really a better understanding of the industry across the country, not just in my local regional area, I suppose. Regardless of whether you're located on the West Coast or the Midwest or the East Coast, we have similar but different challenges. For example, many of us struggle with workforce. Although the solutions may be different regionally, when we come together with a broad variety of experiences and ideas, we can come up with a better solution that works for all of us.